Check out this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 91,500 miles. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter turbo engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, cruise control and driver airbag. Call 480-307-9355 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.